Hello friends, in the previous lecture of this module, we have learned news beats and its importance in the reporting. We have also learned sources of news in relation to various beats. Furthermore, we have also completed principle of beat reporting. In addition, we have studied historical background of news beats. We have also understood crime beat, political beats, sports beats and its sources in detail. In this lecture of the module, we will discuss meaning of news beats. We will also discuss sources of news in relation to various beats. Furthermore, we will also discuss culture beat, legal and court beat, education beat, environment beat, defense beat, health and medical beat and religion beat. So let us try to explain beat first. News beat is a specific field in the journalism which is assigned to a reporter to gather news. News reporter is expected to keep track of all events taking place in his/her beat. The reporter has ensured that he covers all routine events on his news beats. More important thing, he is required to develop contacts and can help him to generate special and exclusive stories. It is also referred as specialized reporting. It means reporting from particular beat or field. For beat reporting, a journalist need to have a specialization or a healthy experience in a particular field or area. Here, the beat is the place of coverage, while the correspondent in that place is the beat reporter. It is a specific area covered regularly by a specific reporter. It is an opportunity for a reporter to become a bit of an expert, at least enough to ask the right questions, even if not know to all the answers. But reporter tells audience not only what is happening, but how to get involved. A good news beat reporter should have following qualities. Number 1, familiar with general background. Number 2, knows specific language of areas. Ask right questions. Number 4, recognizes newsworthy information. Number 5, write understandable stories for unfamiliar readers. The word beat was originally used to describe regular route of a police officer in charge of a neighborhood, the so-called beat cop. Thus, by analogy, beat denotes a specific area of journalistic reporting. Beats are among the most important organizational principles of media organization. Size of beat depends upon the nature of media organization. The larger media organization have several beats, while a small media organization have less news beats. For example, the beat structure of a big city US newspaper used to include beats like art, theatre, film, music and food. In addition, the hard news beats such as politics, economic or education. Thus, simply a beat is an area or topic of news that is routinely covered or checked by the same reporter. Beats vary from news organization to news organization, depending on media organization and interest of audience. There are various types of news beats. Number 1, crime beat. Number 2, political beat. Number 3, sports beat. Number 4, culture beat. Number 5, legal or court beat. Number 6, education beat. Number 7, environmental beat. Number 8, medical or health beat. Number 9, defense beat. Number 10, religion beat. It depends on newspaper organization. There may be extra number of beats. In the previous lecture of the module, we discussed crime beat, political beat, sports beats and their sources in detail. Let us discuss rest of beats one by one. Number 1, culture beat. The term culture beat is used for gathering information and writing news report on cultural event, which are assigned to the cultural beat reporter. Generally, cultural beat reporter visits various areas of the culture beat and collects information about where it originated, festivals, rituals, dramas, stage shows, dance, singing performances, club performances, folk performances and religious and sacred activities are fall under the areas of cultural reporting. Culture reporting is considered as feature stories for magazine, newspaper supplements. It has good deal of entertainment values. Culture reporting focuses on service and entertainment instead of serious art coverage. Media give priorities to the particular culture over traditional culture. Nowadays, film is seen as a form of light entertainment for working class. The travelogue and food are also part of culture reporting. Media provide plenty of time or space for travelogue, food, architect and monuments related to news. Culture reporting also focuses on personal life of artists, including stage and drama actors, dancers, artists of fine arts, classical musician, poet and singers and so on. Sources for culture reporting are as follows: theatre, auditorium, temples, churches, mosque, gurdwaras, club, societies, association, state and central ministries, archaeological survey of India and so on. Legal or court beat. There are only a few big newspapers in India who have full-time reporter appointed especially for their court beat. These reporters generally have adequate legal background. Other newspapers mostly hire stringer to cover court stories. Many of the stringers are professional advocates. Correspondents who are mostly part-timers also cover court stories in their respective areas. These part-timers come from teaching, law and other professions. A newspaper which does not have a full-time legal reporter may send its regular staff correspondent to cover a important court story. While reporting court stories, the emphasis of the news media is on criminal courts, high courts and Supreme Court. It has been observed that media are less interested in covering civil courts. One of the reasons for this lack of interest may be that people in general are more interested in criminal news stories than news stories related to civil suits. News sources for legal beats are as follows: courtroom proceeding, the clerk of courtroom, defense and public prosecutor, website of concerned court, press release from courts. Number 3, education beat. The education beat is an extensive umbrella covering from preschool to higher education to bring out information of revenue and administration of educational institute. By the education beat reporting, the readers get to understand the latest information on education. The education sector is rapidly evolving with new information and improvement. An education reporter generally spends most of the time to attend seminar, meeting, cultural program, activities of teacher and students. The main focus of an education reporter is to cover education system because it can use to promote new ideas, innovation, culture, knowledge, scientific temper and so on. The education beat can be divided into two parts, that is primary and secondary. Sources of education beats are as follows. Number 1. School magazines, NCERT Resource Center, HRD Ministry, UGC, National Education Associations, government schools and colleges, PRO, students, teachers, parents and non-teaching staffs, private and government universities, government officers. Number 4. Environment beat. Very few newspaper organizations assign news reporter to cover environment issues. Environment reporting educates, informs and creates awareness among people about various environmental issues such as climate change, human and animal conflict, exploitation of natural resources, noise, soil, air, water pollution. Environmental degradation becomes a major issue of each and every individual and society. Environmental journalism is expected to advocate for changes to improve the quality of planet. It educates people about the serious state of environment and uses the power of news media to bring about changes to improve the quality of air, water, wildlife and natural resources. Sources of environmental news are as follows. Basic sources of environment reporting are conscientiousness and observation. The Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, National Green Tribunal Court of India, State Forest Department Corporation, Forest Guard Association Corporation, annual reports of governments, research report on environment and so on. Number 5. Defense beat. Defense journalism is a fast emerging as a specialized area of journalism. Defense reporting means covering military affairs, activities, recruitment drives, etc. Defense reporters covers all three services of the Indian Armed Forces and bring to you the latest news on Indian defense. In defense reporting, reporters are not allowed to write issues or criticize activities of military and decision freely. Even they are not allowed to gather information from military base independently. They are allowed to write news stories on the basis of press release issued by Indian Armed Forces. Defense reporting requires a sound knowledge of the subject and good contact to interpret complex stories. Get the basics right, such as appropriate language, rank and regiments. Sources of defense reporting are as follows. DRDO, DPUS, ISRO, Defense Exhibition, Defense Expo, Naval Expo, Aerospace Expo, Weapon Expo, Defense Ministry, websites of Indian Armed Forces, press release from Indian Armed Forces, local offices of armies, activities of armies, recruitment drive and so on. Number 6. Medical and health beat. Reporting in the medical beat may at a first glance appear like a simple thing to do, but a closer look would reveal the vastness and depth of this subject. When you are covering health related news, you will be disseminating information that will not just affect the general public, but also medical professionals and even the government. Health is a very significant part of government policy making, and policy makers often depend on the information they receive from newspaper and news channels. So the information being given has to precise, correct, sensitive and reliable. In medical reporting, various aspects to be covered such as public and community health, disease outbreak, health policies, medical business, infrastructure in the health section, corruption and ethical matters, consumers' health, drugs and diseases, factor affecting health and so on. Number 7. Religion beat. In religion beat, news reporter will collect information from various organizations related to religion. Religious news is also part of the newspaper content. It is one of the most sensitive beats and demands great care and responsibility on the part of the reporter covering various religious events. However, fair news coverage is the only effective means to deal with this beat. The reporter has to report in fair, factual, impartial and unbiased way and maintain objectivity. The word Christian which we use will relate to Christianity. However, we hope that Muslim, Hindu, Jews, Buddhists and other will be able to translate the idea into their own words. For example, when we use the word church, it means the body of all believing people. There are 3 aspects of religion which need to be reported. They will all produce things which are new, unusual, interesting, significant and about people. Sources for religion beat are as follows. Number 1. Conventional news sources. The Ministry of Culture, Development of Religious Affairs, Department of Religious Affairs, Public Relation Officers of Religious Organization, promotional sources, press conferences, religious event, posters, notices, publicity material, etc. Number 2. Unconventional material. Websites of religious organization, social media videos and article and professional sources. So friend, with this we have completed meaning of news beats and importance of news beat. We have also understood sources of news in relation to various beats. Furthermore, we have also discussed culture beat, legal and code beat, education beat, environment beat, defense beat, medical beat and religion beat in detail.